Did you know that this content creator has successfully gained a huge number of followers and views from AI-generated content? If we look at the content, this person creates videos where he appears to be riding a motorcycle and traveling through extreme locations. Content like this is very popular, friends, because at first glance it looks very real. But the places he rides through make you feel an intense sense of adrenaline. In terms of views, this creator has even reached up to 263 million views, and the numbers vary widely, from tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, to even tens of millions of views. So in this video, we will try to create content like this, because this type of content can also be used on other social media platforms, such as Facebook, YouTube, or anywhere you upload AI content. And the earning potential is certainly very big. So how do we create content like this? Let's learn it step by step. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can stay motivated to create more interesting content for all of you. Here is the video tutorial. First, you can click the prompt link that I made in the description box. The link I created is a prompt generator, which is specifically designed to generate prompts that can create videos like the ones I showed earlier. You can use it for free, and the interface will look like this. This access uses Gemini, so make sure you are already logged in to your Google Gemini account. It doesn't matter whether you use a free account or a pro account. The interface will look like this, with two input fields where we can fill in the data. The first field is for the type of vehicle, which you can change. For example, I will enter a vehicle like this so that the vehicle remains consistent, friends. After that, we move to the location section. Here, I already have a location prepared, but you can also create your own location based on what you want. Only these two fields need to be filled in. Once that's done, we simply click Generate Prompt, and automatically, 3 JSON prompts will be created that we can use to produce the AI content we want. The first prompt is the most detailed and complete one. Everything is explained here. Then the second and third prompts are extension prompts or scene builder prompts. Now let's move on to creating the video. First, we copy the first prompt by clicking Copy JSON. Then we open Google Labs. Google Labs is part of Google AI, friends. For free users, you can create 5 videos per month, and this resets every month. But for pro users, you can create 50 videos per month, which I think is already enough for content creators. Here, several features are available, such as Wix, Flow, Image, and Music. We will use Google Flow, so click to open Flow. You will be taken to a new screen. This is the Google Flow interface, and here you can see many AI video projects that I have created before. Click New Project. Now we are taken to a new screen, and here you can also see image models such as Nano Banana Pro if you have a pro account. But this time, we will only use the video feature, so click Video. For the model, we will use text to video. Then, paste the prompt that we copied earlier into the provided box. Next, open the settings. Set the aspect ratio to portrait, set the output to 1, and choose the VO 3.1 face model. Once everything is set, click Submit. Now the video is finished. This is the result of the video we just created. Let's play the video. That's the result of the first scene, friends, and it looks like it already matches what we want. The next step is to extend the duration using the Scene Builder feature in Google Flow. For those of you using a smartphone, you can go to your browser settings and switch to desktop mode, and the button will appear. The button is located above the video. Once you see it, just click it. This is the Scene Builder interface, where you can freely extend the video duration. To extend the video by 8 seconds, it costs 20 points. As long as you still have points available, you can extend the video as much as you want. Now we extend to the second scene. First, click the Add button, then choose Extend Duration. Go back to the prompt generator and copy the second scene prompt. Paste it here, keep the same settings as the first scene, and click Submit. The second scene is now finished. We repeat the same process for the third scene. Click the Add button, choose Extend, copy the third prompt, paste it, and submit. Now all 3 scenes are complete. Next, if you don't like a particular scene, you can delete it. Simply click the button on the right side, then click the delete icon on the scene you want to remove. After that, click Finish and regenerate any scenes that don't match your expectations. If everything already looks good, you can download the video. Just click the down arrow button, the video will be exported, then click Download and the video will be saved to your gallery or files, ready to upload. And this is the final video result. That's all for today's video. I hope this video is useful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.